Once upon a time, in a small countryside town, I had the privilege of spending countless hours with my wise and loving grandfather. He was a remarkable man, full of wisdom and life experiences. At the age of 83, he decided to share with me the most valuable lessons he had learned throughout his journey. The life lessons my grandfather told me that I could never forget. Family is everything. Cherish and prioritize your loved ones. Always be true to yourself. Authenticity is a rare and valuable trait. Hard work and perseverance are the keys to success. Never stop learning. Knowledge is a lifelong. Find solace in solitude. It helps you practice self-discipline. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you, and embrace solitude and take time for self. Find beauty in the ordinary. Life is The strongest people are not those who show strength in front of us, but those who fight battles we know nothing about. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Turn your wounds into wisdom when writing the story of your life. Don't let anyone else hold the pain. Don't put off important medical checkups. Practice self-compassion. We are all human. Treat your parents with utmost respect and care. Show gratitude to Allah for His blessings upon you. Speak the truth and be honest in all your dealings. Practice patience and remain steadfast in times of difficulty. Be humble and avoid arrogance or pride. Strive for self-improvement and constantly work on your character. Be trustworthy and uphold your responsibilities and obligations. Be mindful of your actions and their impact on others. Reflect upon the signs of Allah in the world around you and seek His guidance in all matters.